Since moving into the building, our kitchen team, they've had to operate out of a very temporary setup.
Level 1 for our dry stores and pots and pans, rooftop for the barbecue, pizza oven and hot plate. The lower ground to do all of our preparation.
So you have to run all the way back downstairs, chop a bit of this, do a bit of that, run upstairs, put your eggs in the water, put your timer on for 12-13 minutes.
We need to be really highly organised.
Has its ups, has its downs. The time is now that we want to move on.
Food connects people. It's often the centre of the home, and I think it's the centre of this business as well.
Yeah, I mean, that's why I joined SafetyCulture, to connect with people.
Coming into work, people connect with their colleagues, and coming to the lunch table, they connect with food. And I think that helps build a good culture.
Having the whole open space so we can talk to the rest of the team better, get things in and out, better storage, cool rooms, makes our life a lot easier. We can perfect our trades.
It's been years in the making, and it's wonderful to see Lucia so happy in her own kitchen. How is it?
Fabulous, absolutely love it, and I'm so happy to see so many of you here enjoying the feast that we prepared for you.
It's a really communal space. It makes you feel like it's almost a restaurant within an office.
It's great to see everyone enjoying themselves, mingling, just brings a sense of community to the place.
When I saw my name up there, I thought, oh no, I didn't expect that.
With Lucia leading us and with her expertise, the world's our oyster, we can produce anything.
Nourishing people to be able to do even better work.